So what we have is a graphic comparing the effect of compound interest versus simple interest. So if we don't invest our money at all, if let's say we have $1,000 left over for whatever reason, or we come into $1,000 somehow, we don't really have to pay bills with it. We could do anything we want to with it. It's extra money. Even if it's $100, whatever, we'll just use $1,000. Well, if we stick it in the mattress or a cookie jar, don't do anything with it, we don't spend it, but we don't invest it, we don't put it in the savings account, we just hold on to it. We see the effect over time in blue, because that 1,000 is our principal, but it's not growing at all. So it's always going to be worth $1,000. Well, if we have an opportunity to invest that $1,000, but we're paid simple interest, that's interest with no compounding, then we can see after 20 years it will triple in value. That $1,000 will become $3,000. And that's better than sticking it in a cookie jar or under the mattress. But if we find an investment that pays compound interest at the same rate as the simple interest, we can see that the compound interest is so much more powerful. Because if we did nothing, it would still be worth $1,000 20 years later. If we had an investment where it was simple interest, it would triple in value, and that's better than the cookie jar, but it's not nearly as powerful as the compound interest. So instead of $3,000, for doing exactly the same thing except for the decision to put it in something that compounds, we would have more than $4,000 more using compound interest than we would simple interest. That is the power of compounding.